Hello children. Today I Kahani Wali Nani am going to tell you a story based on a famous Panchatantra tale. The story is The Greedy Dog's Plight. Listen children. Once upon a time there was a small village on the banks of a river. In this village lived a dog Rani with four puppies named Brownie, Prince, Raja and Johnny. Rani loved all her puppies very much. She would tell them to share food amongst themselves and not to be greedy and selfish. All the puppies obeyed her except one, Brownie. Brownie would never share his food with anyone. Instead, he had the habit of snatching food from others. One day, Rani was sitting with Brownie, Prince, and Raja. Just then Johnny came running with a piece of bread in his mouth. It was a big loaf. He kept it on the ground, and before he spoke anything, you know what Brownie did? He ran off with the loaf of bread. Johnny began crying and said, "Oh, Mama, I had bought this piece of bread for all of us, and see, Brownie, he took it away. How selfish and greedy he is." Rani consoled Johnny, "Don't cry, I'll get a bigger loaf." And when Brownie came back after finishing the loaf of bread, she said, "Brownie, you have done wrong. See, Johnny wanted to share it with all of us. That is why he brought the bread and did not eat it by himself. And see what you did? You were greedy and selfish and ate the whole bread alone by yourself. Brownie, it is not good to be greedy and selfish. Promise me now onward you will not be greedy and not do it again. And say sorry to Johnny for what you have done." But Brownie ignored his mother and went away grumbling. Soon these puppies grew up to be healthy dogs. And children, I forgot to tell you that on the other side of the river was a small forest. Okay, now listen. It was a hot summer afternoon. Brownie was hungry and was going around the village in search of food. For a long time he did not find anything to eat. "Oh, it is so hot and I'm feeling hungry too. A bad weather and an empty stomach." He sat down feeling tired. But soon he got up and began walking. I should soon get something to eat. If a bone, it would be great," Brownie thought while walking. Children, do you know where did he reach? Yes, he reached a butcher's shop. Children, do you know who is a butcher? A butcher is one who cuts and sells meat. Now, outside the butcher's shop, in the garbage, what did Brownie see? Brownie found a bone. It looks juicy. His eyes gleamed, and without wasting a second, he picked it up. Brownie was overjoyed. "Oh, how lucky I am!" He looked around and thought, "Oh, right now no one is around. But if my brothers come before I finish my meal, I might have to share with them. Maybe someone else might snatch away this from me. I'd better go on the other side of the river and eat it without being disturbed." And Brownie, what did he see? He saw a little away from there who was sitting? Prince. But Prince did not see Brownie. And Brownie thought, "Before Prince sees me, I'd better move away from here." And with the bone in his mouth, Brownie climbed the bridge to cross the river. While he was walking on the bridge, he happened to look into the river. And children, do you know what happened? Brownie stopped and looked angrily in the river. Why? Yes, he saw another dog with a bone in his mouth in the river. "Oh, A dog with a bone. Children, we know Brownie was greedy and selfish and always snatching food from others. He said, I must have this bone also. And Brownie raised his paw as if telling the dog, Wait, I am coming. And the dog in the river also raised his paw. Seeing this, Brownie was angry and thought, I must frighten this dog. And you know what he did? He opened his mouth in anger, forgetting that he had a bone in his mouth, and began barking loudly, Bow, 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 bow. And the bone in Brownie's mouth fell into the river. As the bone fell into the river, Brownie was shocked. Why? Because the bone in the other dog's mouth vanished. Now Brownie realized that there was no other dog in the river, but only his reflection, that is his shadow. Brownie sat down on the bridge. Oh, my bone, he shouted. He began walking back sadly towards the village, saying to himself, Mama really says not to be greedy and selfish, but I never listen to her. Had I been satisfied with the bone I had with me, I would not have lost it. Also, if I would have shared it with Prince, my brother, maybe he would also share his food with me. Now onwards, I will no more be selfish and greedy. So, children, you must have realized that being selfish and greedy is a bad virtue, and sometimes or the other, we have to pay a price for being greedy, like Brownie did. So, children, do share your things with others and be happy and satisfied with what you have. And, children, how did you like this story? You can hear more such interesting stories on my YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel and do press the bell icon so that you never miss a new story from me. If you like the story, press the like button. And children, you can share the story with your friend by clicking on the share icon. Meet you again next week with a new story. Till then, goodbye. Take care.